Hey yo, it's Chriso. Now what you do here, people, I'm just setting up my pads, and when you've got a bit of a dusty floor, the way I do it and the way I recommend you do it, because nothing sticks to dust, right? You know that, I've been harping on it for a while now. So, and you always must put down slurry. That's exactly how you do it. When you put down your water, it's when you've got a very clean floor, you can trowel out glue as your slurry. But when you do this, it mixes with the dust. And I'm doing this for my height pads. And we're laughing. So we've got one height pad there. You have a piece of tile. I've got to come down to that line, which I'm pretty accurate there. So that is the height of my height pad. That's my finished floor height. Do you get what I mean? My tile is going to be going in there like that to the strip drain. That's the height of my whole floor, and the fall I'm coming out to that line. See that line there? So my fall is like that, just like that, just like that. I might put a little bit more mud because I haven't quite packed it down enough. Where's my rubber hammer? I'll find my rubber hammer in a minute. And that's the best way. Just like that. Bang on, Bootsy. Right. That is my finished screed height. That is my finished tiled floor height. Which is, what's that? Uh, 37 mil. 37 mil. And all you do is do the same right around. You go each corner, and you can go one in the middle. of, say, this bathroom, and then you just join the dots, fill it all in between. You're laughing. See you soon.